Hello, and welcome to my review of the MacBook Air M1 in 2023. It's been a few years since Apple released this laptop, and I've been using it as my primary computer ever since. So, let's dive in and see how it's holding up. First things first, the design of the MacBook Air M1 is still as sleek and stylish as ever. It's incredibly thin and lightweight, making it easy to carry around with me wherever I go. And despite its thinness, it's also very durable. I've accidentally dropped it a few times, but it's held up surprisingly well. As for performance, the MacBook Air M1 is still one of the best laptops on the market. The M1 chip has completely transformed the Mac experience, making everything faster and smoother. It's especially noticeable when I'm running multiple programs at once or using demanding software like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro. The MacBook Air M1 handles it all with ease. Another great thing about the MacBook Air M1 is the battery life. I can easily get through a full day of work without having to plug it in, and even when I'm using it heavily, I can still get several hours of use before needing to recharge. This is a huge improvement over my old laptop, which would barely last a few hours. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that the MacBook Air M1 only has two USB-C ports. This hasn't been a big issue for me, but if you need to connect a lot of peripherals or use an external display, you may want to consider getting a dock or hub. So, is the MacBook Air M1 still worth buying in 2023? Absolutely. It's a fantastic laptop that has only gotten better with time. The M1 chip is still a game changer, and the design and battery life are still top-notch. If you're in the market for a new laptop, I highly recommend the MacBook Air M1. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.